Hello and welcome to another update video about BNB. BNB is putting a difficult structure here into place at the moment. I'd like to say this looks like a B-wave top, yeah, because we have failed to rally impulsively off the 3rd of April low. So we did enter our trend reversal area, we reversed out of it, all good. But it has sold off too quickly again. So it makes the impression of a B-wave top. I do not want to rule out that we could have already have bottomed. In fact, this was the low that at the time we talked about, the low could be in here, in this yellow support area with this nice bottoming structure. However, the move up just doesn't look impulsive. I mean, again, you can never rule it out that this was somehow a 1, 2, 3, 4 and a very short 5, as you can see here, but it's just not reliable. So what I mean is we need to be on our toes here at the moment. It's not the best structure to the upside here, but as long as we're holding $283, and that's been the message, the overall focus needs to be on higher. So within that scenario where in a third wave we can reach $400 plus, within that scenario we have the possibility to retest those lower levels in the yellow support area. That is actually quite likely, given that the move up in a B wave was just a 3-wave move. Now bear in mind, we are analyzing here a lower time frame, right? So things can happen quite quickly and you see all sorts of distortions sometimes. But for now, yeah, I mean, it couldn't be a clearer 3-wave move up. Now that doesn't mean it couldn't become something more bullish, like a diagonal pattern maybe. But at the moment, I can tell you that the impulsiveness of the move up is definitely questionable. Nevertheless, it does not affect anyone who basically uses the method of scaling into these support areas. Now, I'm not telling you to do that. It's just sort of, in my opinion, one of the best ways of trading, especially of trading Elliott Wave, because especially in crypto. Because in crypto, when you try to chase a move when it's already happened, you're often too late. But you can buy the pullbacks. When nobody's interested in crypto, you buy the pullbacks. And they have these pullback areas happen every day. And then I basically are never in the position I need to chase, because I typically am in there if I want to trade a certain asset with that method. But the point is here, as long as we're holding, again, the 78.6 Fibonacci retracement level at $283, the chances and probabilities of a third wave rally are high. I can give you a more accurate target now, but I would have to base it on the low which was made on the 3rd of April, here at $299. So, because that's all I have, that's all the information I have. If we come back into the yellow area and test a little bit lower, yeah, targets will move a bit, but not massively. It wouldn't move the goalposts a lot. The overall target would be $436 as a minimum for a third wave. Now, be aware that this would only be the next third wave. There will then be a 4th wave and a 5th wave, which completes a higher degree 3rd. Another 4th and a 5th, which completes a higher degree 3rd. And, eventually it can cascade higher and higher. And it's actually quite a bullish setup. Yeah, BNB is one of the best performing charts anyway out there. It's one of the few altcoins that has been outperforming Bitcoin cycle over cycle. And I think also here it should head further to the upside, especially as long as we're holding $283. Below 283, we have to consider to change our view, but I would not want to do that without looking at the structure then at the time. When it happens, should it happen? For now, for me, the trend is up. And we need to be careful that this could obviously be a B-wave top. So it means that we can still certainly come down lower. Also, the move down, he was quite impulsive. And there is certainly a possibility that we see something like that in a C wave, a 1, a 2, a 3, a 4, a 5. At least from what we can see now, this is certainly an interesting scenario. But a break above the B wave top at 335 would indicate direct breakout, in my opinion. On the way up, key resistance will be, around that 335 area. Actually, there is resistance starting at 338 all the way up to 346, between these two significant swing highs. But in a third wave, we should take them out easily. All right, that's my update about BNB. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.